Another one. Give a smile, camera. Yeah, I'll make no noise. I'll probably do. She's like, everybody, I'm gonna do it. I should have 2 cameras so I can get the face after the shot. That's what I'm saying. Maybe I could do it on Well, if all of those come out, you'll have one for everybody in the family. No, don't lift up your dress. Uh-oh. See what camera flash it. That's how most of my stuff are, behind the head. I'm like, turn around, girl. Look over here. Yeah. I'm done, honey. Go get the hat. Walk. Like my shirts? Hi there. Come on, baby, try walking. Yeah, you can do your first steps on camera. Come on. Come. Don't go down. Don't go down! She's like, oh, that was funny. Ha! Check me out. That is the weirdest crawl I've ever seen. You see how funny it looks. That's the, I'm trying to say, one knee crawl on the floor. Look at how fast she goes like that. I've been crawling on the kitchen floor too much. Here, let's put this over here. I'm trying to do one knee. This knee must be so soft. The other was all callous. It was nice for her. She's like, wow, I can actually touch the toys and play the toys without anyone taking it from me or jumping on me. No, Leah, this is how you play with them. Do you have to look at someone? You have to look at a face. She comes back up. Breathing. Walking. Feet. Walk to mommy. No. Grandpa said in a month she'll be a year. Was she born in July? No. June 25th. It's just it's at the end of the month, so. I just keep thinking because you were worried about the stone on the ring, about what color it would be. He's like, I could like one day pick him up and ask him and he's screaming out.
Like, take your backpack off. Take it off so I can do it. Take your... like he's camera shy. What's the matter? You don't want to be on camera?
It's one just like ours at home, baby. Smile. Yeah, it looks good. Ooh, do they look like Oh, now he's getting excited. You got my hand. Yeah. A little more over that way. My leg in my hand. No, hit to the right. Take it up there. See,
I'm not getting it.